How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new video on my channel. I'm your host Sarthak Mehta, and today we'll be talking about 5 current longest serving managers in the top 5 leagues of Europe. Football at present has become very competitive, with clubs not shying away from firing their managers if they do not get the results that they wanted. The amount of money that has gone with the managers is unbelievable, and sometimes firing and hiring the managers cost you a lot of money as well. Number 1. Christian Streich, SC Freiburg, 9 years and 6 months. This successful man played at the lower levels of Bundesliga during his playing career before eventually going into coaching, managing Freiburg's under-19 team and assisting the head coach, post which he was appointed as the permanent manager in December 2012. The 56-year-old, during his time as a manager of Freiburg, has managed to keep them playing at the highest level and though is yet to win a trophy with them, but are still very successful and a popular figure among the club. Number 2. Diego Simeone, Atletico Madrid, 9 years and 6 months. Of course, this will not be a surprising one for you guys. Diego Simeone enjoyed great success as a player, but it is safe to say that he has established himself as a legend at the managerial level, leading Atletico Madrid to numerous honors even since taking the managerial reins in December 2011. It is due to Simeone that Atletico are considered one of the heavyweights in Europe, with the Argentine winning 2 La Liga titles, 2 Europa Leagues and 1 Copa del Rey and 2 UEFA Super Cups so far. I think he is a very successful coach and clubs should look at Atletico Madrid for inspiration when it comes to keeping the manager's legacy and keeping them for long. Number 3. Sean Dyche, Burnley, 8 years and 8 months. Sean Dyche played for a number of clubs during his career, but will more fondly be remembered for his role as the head coach of Burnley Football Club, who he continues to manage till date. Dyche was appointed in October 2012. He has won championship once and has helped Burnley win promotion to Premier League on a few occasions. Of course, this is solely on the basis because he has been backed a lot by the club. And what is more interesting? He has beaten a lot of brilliant teams like the top 6 of the Premier League a lot of times with his formidable mentality and boosting the players in the right occasion. Number 4. Jurgen Klopp, Liverpool, 5 years and 9 months. Jurgen Klopp is without a doubt one of the best managers in the history of sport, with the German enjoying success at every club he has gone to. The 50-year-old who joined Liverpool in October 2015 has been one of the main reasons why the Reds won the Premier League title after 30 years in 2019-20 season. And of course, it is an honor for them that they also won the Champions League in 2019. He is one of the most popular figure amongst the Liverpool supporters in the recent times and of course will remain one of the most popular figures in the history as well. This guy is exceptional because he is one of the most passionate managers you can see on the touchline, and it is no wonder Liverpool's board has always backed this man. Number 5. Alvaro Cervera, Cadiz, 5 years, 2 months. Another manager who has enjoyed a decent career as a player. Alvaro Cervera took up coaching in 2001 and has gone to manage 11 clubs since then. The 55-year-old has been at Cadiz since April 2016, leading them in 235 games so far, and he is still going strong of course. This manager is a very special one for them in the recent history because he of course has stuck to the club and has produced some results against the likes of Real Madrid, Barcelona and Atletico, and of course this guy also deserves the credit for Cadiz staying in the top flight for more seasons ahead, because a number of players have stuck by him and shown the same loyalty for the manager as the manager has shown to the club, and they are doing wonders in La Liga in the season, and hopefully they'll continue the same in the future. So that's it for this short video guys. I hope you guys liked this one. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me grow a lot as I post the content daily for my audience, and I'll see you in the next one now. Bye bye. Peace.